Goyard unboxing. Time for another dose of Goyard unboxing. Goyard haul. Happy Sunday, hopefully. Posting this on Sunday. We'll get to those later. There's more. Thank you. Okay, see. So I just got back from Paris, and we're gonna do a quick Goyard unboxing of what I got at Goyard, and talk about some limited stuff, some new stuff, and slightly talk about the new stuff. And also I'm gonna start the process. No, I'm not gonna tell you about that. Never mind. No, the last thing I can't tell you, but never mind. But exciting stuff for me eventually. Quick Goyard haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Goyard haul, Goyard update, Goyard haul. We can do a quick touch on Goyard update, okay? Goyard haul and Goyard update. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna very briefly touch over all the recent updates that they've been having, because I feel like I'm not supposed to talk about that kind of stuff anymore. So I'm just gonna briefly touch on it, okay? The khaki collection came out, 2025, brought back the khaki color. They did this whole army thing with a bunch of army bags. Serial numbers are like, you know, markages with Goyard and then 223, or the name of the store and one 001, 002, 003 kind of thing. So each bag is its own, it's numbered, and it's very one of one. Some bags had that, like the travel bags. The other bags didn't. That just had the 223, and it's different store specific. So like Miami, LA, Beverly Hills, Paris, London, they all have different. They also did their Goyardine thing. They introduced new colors, iris and fuchsia, and they're going to be doing bags with that for the year. It's the Goyardine this year. They introduced a dragonfly motif and a butterfly motif for the garden, like a hologram thing, which is really cool, on their Instagram. Go check it out. Yeah. Oh, and they had I think they had like a new flower thing and another other bag. The flower carrier for like your wedding or something like that, another bag. Anyway, so I went, Paris trip, just popped in, nothing like specific. I just went in. Oh, I was going in to get a bag repaired, actually. Sorry, I was going to get a bag repaired. That's why I went in. So I dropped off the bag for repair, but then obviously looked around. I asked about the khaki collection. I asked about the fuchsia and stuff. They didn't have any fuchsia or iris bags left, but they did have a few khaki things, all the small leather goods in khaki, but not the like one of one kinds, just the like regular kinds. They're still limited, but they're not the one of one with like 001, 002, 003. So I got two things, but then I lost one. Literally, I don't know where it is, if it's like comes with this new packaging, yay. Okay, I don't know if it's like in the airport or I left at the hotel or in like, I don't know where it is, but it was the card holder, which is now gone. So sorry. Oh well. Not oh well. It sucks, but I don't know what to do about it. I guess I could report it as lost or something to my credit card. I could do that. Okay, anyway, the other thing I got was the Senat. Okay, so this is the Senat. This is the other thing I got from the collection. Whatever, I just told you what it is. Okay. I love it because it's small and compact, and like put it in my other bags as a little, organizer / thing. It's there, got one little pocket in the back, and it's in the khaki color, and this is what I'm talking about. It's the Goyard 233. So this is like on all the bags that are like, all the items that are like this, like the wallets, all three wallets. I think the Belvedere, they had this, and the three wallets. Victoire, Saint Pierre, and Saint Sulpice. I think the other like 5 or 6 items, there was like 10 or 11 items total, maybe 12, had like the cap vert and like the trunk, the backpack, and the rolly, and all those things. They have specific. So it'll say like Goyard Miami, but it's like GMMI, or like Goyard Saint Honoré, so it's like GSH or GFS or GFSH or something like that. And then 001, 002, 003, and I don't know how many pieces they made. Maybe like probably anywhere from like 20 to like 100. So there's only like 020, Oh, probably like maybe like 20 in each store, right? And then 60 stores. Oh, that's a lot. Maybe like 10 in each store, 5 in each store. And then however many stores. I think they have 60 stores. Is that right? 30 stores? I don't know how many stores they have. It's on their website. Okay. Anyway, that's that. And then I got 2 other things, which I accidentally got something I already have. This is what happens when you have too much stuff and you shop. And it was last minute, and I was leaving, and I was like on my way out, and I just asked for this bag. It's very hard to get, and I like it, even though I already have one and I haven't used it. It had every color, and I just took the first color that they brought out because I was like, oh yeah, I'll take that, which is black. It's the Boheme, which is cute, very nice bag, but I have this bag. Wasn't thinking. I literally wasn't thinking, because I have this exact same bag. Granted, this one is a one of one special markage that like one of the like head designers of Goyard made, but I've never used it. I think I can start using it. Here it is, right? And it's got the dog there, which is kind of cool, like this motif, but I never use it. and then this one is the same. Like, I should have gotten a different color. I wasn't even thinking. Anyway, I got it. Yay! I'll probably sit with all my other unopened ones. Because it's really about the shopping. It's really just about the buying. It's not even about the using. I use the same like 6 days. Everything else is just there. Anyway, okay. And the other thing I got, which I'm excited about to use. Hey! Oh yeah, I turned off the microphone because that was not working. I don't know why I did that. I gotta fix that. Anyway, so we're just doing regular voice, but this is still a new camera. Sorry for the background noise. It's hot, so my Dyson's on. Okay, so the other thing I got was this, which is I'm all in my pouches right now. I love little pouches, and I can put this inside other bags, right? And this one's got a bigger base, which I like, because a lot of my pouches are very thin, so they can't fit that much because then they won't close. Like, you can't expand them that much, like that Senat. But this has a little bit of base, so you can get a little more, and it's got a little wristlet. So you can kind of wear it like its own little clutch, right? Right. Love. Okay. Anyway, that's everything I got. I hope you guys like it. And yes, Chai. Take that out. Take that off. Okay. Great. Ready to use. Conti. So cute. I got it in gray. It says, you know, I like gray because it's like still a neutral, but kind of shiny and still a pop, right? But I feel like it can still go with everything. What is it? Okay, that's all I got. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.